What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the High Performance Trader. Today was a beautiful day on the market. Once again, trading our very simple three-step approach, right? So first of all, welcome to HPT. If you're new, we are the YouTube channel that collects reliable data each and every single day. We collect it daily. We package it and we deliver it monthly, okay? And we review that data. And then we've crafted a beautiful strategy based off this data. And that's what we're going to be going over today in this video. I titled this video 104% ROI Trading CPI, okay? And I want to show you guys exactly what that trade was, why I took it, and where I got in, where I got out, etc., right? So we actually took two trades that we're going to go over that you'll see right here in this slide, okay? We took a long play, and then we took a short play. The short play is the one you see right here for 104% return. $775 here on SPX when I took this flick. And I want to go over the strategy, okay? Because trading is a game that's, it's wild. There's so many variables, and so many traders fail because they fail to follow a simple approach, okay? So once again, we do these all the time, especially on our really good days. So I want to break into the trades that we took. I want to break down to you the pre-market plan, how we approach CPI, because CPI can be one of those days where you overthink the hell out of it, okay? I used to be the trader that really overthink the hell out of everything. Oh my God, it's CPI news. What's the fundamentals telling me? Is it going to go up? Is it rallying? Whatever it may be. And at the end of the day, inconsistency comes from inconsistent approaches. Okay, so let's break it down. First things first, if you like what you see, obviously subscribe to the channel. But if you're really looking for change in your life and in your trading, I cannot recommend anything more than subscribing to our data reports, okay? Like, if you really want change, if you really want to become a confident trader. So Mark Douglas, one of the famous trading coaches of our time, he said, it's not what you do, it's what you think while you're doing it, okay? Quote for quote. Now, Mark Douglas was onto something here. It's not what you're doing. It's what you're thinking while you're doing it. Trading, you can literally create a fruitful environment or a hazardous environment, okay? So we've crafted a very simple approach that I break down in deep detail here on my website. All you have to do is click that first link, and it's going to bring you here. And then subscribe to our data reports, okay? So the edge that we're going to go over, which is these trades right here, okay? The moving average cross off the critical level, the RBI, the GBI, okay? This is the strategy that we are talking about here on my website. And if you want 10 months of data sent to you on a weekly basis, all you have to do is put your first, last name, email in. It's completely for free, and I send you these data reports so that you too can become a confident trader. Listen, there's no reason why you should be trading with anxiety when we have 10 months of data. And literally, you come over to the High Performance Trader Discord, you're literally going to watch us trade this every single day. It's crazy. And before we get started, just so everybody knows, I am trading live every Friday for free on YouTube, okay? You literally, all you have to do is come watch us trade, okay? I really want to show you guys what it's like to trade without massive amounts of anxiety. Most traders I talk to, they're like, Josh, I'm like, what's your main problem, right? Like, if you subscribe to my data reports, I send you emails. And I'll be like, hey, how long you been trading? What's your main problem? And most of them go, dude, I'm just scared. I can't hold on to my winning trades. I'm so afraid to lose. They've been trading for like 2, 3, 4, maybe even, a decade. And they're still not consistent. And I'm like, if you want to become a consistent trader, You have to develop a consistent approach, but you got to have confidence. That's why High Performance Trader is built on the idea that you becoming a confident trader is going to project you into a whole new reality of consistent profitability. It's all about confidence, okay? So make sure you click those links below, guys. Get involved. This is a free resource. This is completely free. It's not going to be free forever because this data is so valuable, okay? So come here, click here. These are free, completely free high-level summaries. These are data reports for the last 10 months, okay? We're sitting at a 82% win ratio. It's 165 trades. 135 of them are profitable for at least $1. We get very specific here, okay? So I'm not going to waste any more time on it. But, guys, this is very important. Make sure you get involved. And if you really want that change, join our team, okay? Because what we're going to go over today is the sort of trades that you're going to see when you join our team, okay? I call these out every single day. So let's break down the day. All right, so 104% trading CPI on our second trade. I took 2 trades today. That was it. And I want to show you guys in the Discord real quick here the mindset I had going into today, okay? Because once again, it's not what you do, it's how you do, okay? This is the main topic for today, okay? It's not what you do, it's what you think while you're doing it, okay? So just like every other day, I'm break down a pre-market plan, a bullish and bearish scenario. But look at here. I go, everybody, CPI today. Don't let it screw up your approach, okay? Trade with proper size and focus on execution, okay? I just want to make sure you guys can see this. So that, hold on, I think maybe if I do it like this. Okay, there you go. CPI today, don't let it screw up your approach, trade with proper size, and focus on execution. So what I'm saying here is regardless of the fundamentals, okay, regardless about the news, right? I don't care what the numbers are, okay? I don't care about the trade deals in China or the tariffs. I don't care about any of that shit, okay? All what I care about is the long game, okay? I care about the next 165 trades, okay? Because that is what the data tells me to care about, okay? Just like we were just talking about here on the high-level summary, I'm focused on the 165 trades, okay? Not today. Today's not special. Every day is the same. And the sooner you realize this, the less anxiety you're going to have, okay? Like, I, too, used to be extremely afraid. Oh, my God, it's CPI. Maybe it's going to be volatile. Maybe this, maybe that. And then next thing you know, I'm creating all these false scenarios in my mind that distort my ability to identify good setups. Okay? This happens to all of us. It's just not many people talk about it. So what we've done was crafted a very simple approach here. And when you follow it, okay, let me pull up Thinkorswim here. When you follow the approach, the market tells you what to do, okay? There's never a point in time where I need to even think, okay? All what I need to do every single day is stay patient and allow price to tell me what to do, okay? So what happens? Well, initially we start getting some selling. Okay. Now, my strategy is very simple. Okay, guys, it's 3 steps. The first step is identifying open print. Open print is very important. If you're not aware, now you are. The 930 bell price is extremely important because of the volume. Okay. The volume and liquidity that go into this level, this becomes our roadmap. Okay, we can't move the price, the banks do. So for us to understand what the banks are doing, we must watch the level with massive amounts of volume. Simple. Once again, it's not what you're doing, It's how you think about it. Okay. This is our philosophy. So now we identify open print at 604.22. So in the Discord, I'll show you guys. I'm going to give you a sneak peek here on how what you really can expect here. So if you come over to equity commentary, this is where I break down my thoughts and what I'm thinking. So at 9:31 a.m., I go ion sellers below previous day high. I need criteria I on a GBI here. So what I'm saying here to my team is if I get my criteria, which is a moving average cross, meaning the green cloud turns red, and I get a green bar that gets ignored, meaning this candle wipes the bottom of it, I get in short. That's it. That's my approach. I know when I see it, I have a 82% chance of having a profitable trade. That's it. There's no luck. There's no, oh, I hope it works today. Oh, I hope no, there's none of that shit. It's when I see my edge, I act. That's it. I don't care if it goes my way because I know out of 165 trades, 82 or 135 of them are going to be good. So now I don't need to worry. I don't need to worry. Okay? It's already been back tested. It's already been proven. Okay? All the questions have been answered. Now all I need to do is wait. And when I see it, act without any hesitation, no reservation, only execution. That's my goal each and every single day. Okay, so back to the Discord here. All right, so obviously we don't get our criteria, so there's no trade, right? See, that's the beauty. Until my edge presents, I do nothing. So while all the other retail traders are going full retard and they're getting in bad positions or they're FOMOing in, know what me and my team are doing? Chilling. Not doing shit. Because I know there's no point to waste any money taking some bullshit setup that I haven't back tested. Okay? This is where the confident trader prevails because the confident trader knows, hey, I'm only putting money on the table when probability is in my favor. Not because I feel like it's going to work, okay? Not because, oh, it looks good. No. Is my edge present? No. Then why the hell would I bet any money? Okay? That shit is retarded. We're never putting money on the table unless our edge is present. There is no reason. There is no reason other than trying to satisfy your itch for dopamine. That's it. And then you have to ask yourself, are you here for dopamine? Or are you here to make money, my friend? Because over here at HPT, we're here to get paid. And that's exactly what we do when we follow our edge. Okay, so we're patient. We're patient. Where do I go along here? Okay, so now I go to SPY alerts. Right here at 10:10 a.m. I'm in the market long, baby. That's it. That's it. Why? Why am I in there? Because my edge has presented. Did it feel comfortable? No. Does it ever feel comfortable? No. It's not supposed to. You're a day trader, meaning you make money based off uncertainty. You make money based off probability, okay? You make money when you execute. You make money when it's uncomfortable. It's not supposed to be comfortable. So stop waiting for confirmation. I hate that damn word. Okay? I don't need confirmation. I need my edge. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to wait for the next one. I'm not waiting for shit. When I see my edge, I get in the market. Why? Because out of 165, 132 are going my way. So therefore, when I see it, I pull the trigger. That's it. No, this did not feel comfortable. I was literally rushing into Dollar Tree here, trying to find my daughter some chalk. Got tons of shit going on. But you know what? I don't care. My edge is there. So I know, hey, at this point, I now have an 82% chance of making money. We get in the market long, and it was a beautiful, amazing trade. Look. This thing just ripped. Smooth. Look how smooth this shit was. We got in at around 604. We took this thing up to like 6. I got out around 604.50. So I caught like $1.50 move. Clean. Simple. Do I need the whole move? No. I'm trading SPX. I literally cleared 50% on this trade after the first dollar. So once again, like, don't go full retard. Take your money. Price action was getting slow too, so I ain't sticking around for that shit. So anyways, we captured that first long. That was beautiful. Let's see here. So if I go back to the Discord here, I'll be able to show you. Yep, right there at 10:28, I'm out of the trade. Okay, so at 11:58, we hop in the market short. This is the money shot right here. This is the 104% ROI. This was beautiful. So basically what was going through my mind here? Okay, so price rallies like crazy all the way up, and then we get this sell-off. Look at the red candle. Look at that red candle. Now, when you join my team, you don't FOMO no more. You know why? Because there's no point. There's no point for you to FOMO into a trade. Because if you're on my team, you know the pullback to the moving average is so, the probability of the pullback is so damn high. So when you get a massive sell-off, I know there's an extremely high chance it's going to pull back into the 9. So I go, all right, let's see if our criteria shows up. Okay. Does it show up here? Nope. Oh shit. Maybe we got a large green candle. Honestly, I'm looking at this and I'm going, dude, I might be going long. Let's see. Because for me to go long, I need an RBI. This is, dude, it's so crazy. Everyone on my team's laughing right now because if you can just wait for the RBI or GBI, you will get rid of 90% of your losing trades. I swear to you. If you just learn to wait for the RBI or GBI, instead of going, oh, that's a large green candle, I gotta get in. No, that's retarded. Okay? It's below open print. We're ripping into the EMA cloud. So I'm watching patiently and I'm going, okay, if buyers want it, we'll get an RBI and go long. But they gotta beat sellers. What's this candle right here? That red candle right there, the one we went short on at 11:55 a.m. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Look at this. Snaps the low. We're in short, right? Let's just double check here. When did I call out? Everyone, at 11:58 a.m., I'm in the market short, okay? Market looks like this. I'm balls deep in put options on SPX right here because we literally got a moving average cross, okay? You guys see the arrow? At open print, okay? Open print, okay? You guys see open print? And we got a green bar to be ignored. So once again, do you think I felt comfortable entering short at end of day in a bull market? Hell no, I didn't feel comfortable. But you're not supposed to. Okay? Think about it. 95% of traders lose their ass in this game. And it's because they want to feel comfortable. It's not about feeling comfortable. It's about trusting your strategy. Okay? It's about being different than the 95%. Okay? So when I see that edge, I have to act. It's beautiful, guys. I got out of the trade on like this candle right here. 104%. And once again, guys, like I make these videos, these daily recaps so that you guys can really see the power of a consistent approach. The reason why you're not consistent in the market, there's a few reasons. Number one is you don't have a strategy that you believe in. Number two, you don't believe in yourself. Number three, you probably self-sabotage once you start doing good. And number four, it's because your mindset is so burned after years of failure. I've been at all of those points. Now, for you to rewrite your mind and reprogram the way you trade, you literally need data and you need practice in an environment such as on demand, right? Or any replay, so that you can become comfortable with trading a strategy. Okay. There's day trading for dopamine, and then there's day trading for money. Okay. Now, if you're lucky, you can combine those, but the only way to do that is by becoming a probabilistic trader. And this all starts in the way you view this game. Okay. Guys, we killed it today. I'm like, and it's nothing even out of the ordinary. Like, I mean, yesterday, 139%. Look at yesterday's trade. Moving average cross, green bar ignored, short play. Okay. Look at today's trades. Moving average cross, green bar ignored, short play. This is what you call repeatability. I get to lay in bed tonight and know, hey, I'm not worried about tomorrow. I'm not whatsoever. I literally, as long as I still have my vision, I have nothing to worry about, because I know I'll be able to spot this edge and act. And, it's like, is it perfect? No. It's got an 82% win rate. But that's good enough, dude. It's clearly working extremely well for me and my team. So all that I'm saying, guys, is I want to see you guys do good, because traders are very passionate, and I truly believe every trader deserves to make money. Retail traders make up 5% of price action. We all can make money, okay? We just have to stick to our strategy, and we have to believe in it, and we have to believe in ourselves. So this was a great day. I was absolutely killed it. I'm very proud. 2 trades and I was done. Just so everybody knows too, we are going live on Friday to yet again trade on YouTube. And I'm telling you guys, like, I can't explain to you how important it is to get on a team and get yourself in the right environment. Okay. High Performance Trader is literally a Discord for the retail trader like you and me. Okay. It's a platform literally designed for you to learn an easy strategy. Okay. It's 3 steps. Very simple. We have all the data backing it up, and we trade it each and every single day. Okay. And I don't let one person join my team and not become a confident trader. Okay. So I want to do that for you. I'm building the strongest team in the world. I want a real, there's too much fake shit out there. You literally have influencers that are literally trading paper money. This shit is disgusting. It makes me sick, but I'm not even trying to hate on them. Guys, there has to be something solid for the solid trader like you and me. And this is exactly what we've built. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys watching these recaps. They mean a lot to me. And they help me just as much as they help anybody else. So once again, click those links, get involved, learn how to become a confident trader. And I love you guys, man. You guys are the absolute best. Keep pushing yourself. Keep striving to become better. And and honestly, on demand has changed my life. Okay. If you don't use on demand, you're failing. Okay. Find a way to replay price action. That's what I'm doing when I get off this. I do it for 2 hours in the morning, then I do it for 2 hours after the market. Until I make $250,000 a year, I will be trading on demand for at least 2 hours a day because that's what I'm willing to bring it to. Okay. So keep putting in the work. Let's make 2025 fucking great. You guys already know what to do. And for the HBT members watching this, I fucking love you guys. I'm proud of you guys for leading from the front. And let's finish this week strong. I'll see you guys on the Discord.